Hello all friends, back again with my YouTube channel Creative Wesley Art. Wherever you are who are watching this tutorial video from me, I hope you are all in good health. Number plate, number use sticker, so that the result look neat and light up when exposed to light reflection at night. The only way is we just paste in on the number plate media. The method is very easy friends, try checking the videos here. Hopefully my video is useful for friends, all friends, and can help those of you who are learning how to make a neat number plate. Okay, the first step, we start to install the numbers that we previously printed according to the size on the number plate. The only way is to install it like this friends. We just press it with our fingers. We install it according to the number earlier. This is very easy my friend. Okay, this is the standard bezel number plate in our country, Indonesian. So here it is. We just need to rub it with our fingers so that it sticks evenly. We use masking tape sticker. Okay friend, yes, that's how it goes until you finish how to install the letters and numbers on the number plate. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to press the share button, like, and finally don't forget to subscribe to my video for the same video tutorial. Please check my video on my channel. Well, this is the result friends. It is very neat. Next, we will make more stickers for the month and year number. Okay, here are the results, guys. The results are cool and great. See you again in the next video tutorial from me.